So I want to give you a live demo of how to test the workflows. I know that I walked you through the process in the last video, but this is on a live account, and while this is not a flash sale, the workflow is still set up very similar within the promo campaign. It's more complex than promo, which is why we wanted to actually create the flash sale campaigns, because they're much simpler and much easier for you to run on your practice level. And then the promo campaigns themselves will do, but this gives us a good opportunity to show you exactly what that testing process looks like. So I have everything set in place. Again, there's still a start date. So the start date is April 1st at 10 a.m. And I've actually made an update within the flash sale where there's a red dot or two red dots that indicate what you need to be updating. So again, like on this, we needed to update the promo name. And there's nothing that needed to be updated on this, but then it gets into the emails and how they get updated. So again, my last check is that the days of the week and times that I'm sending match the practice hours. I want to make sure that the conversations are marked as auto read. And what that means is that all of the bulk outbound messages that are getting sent, you're not going to see those in your inbox. So let's go ahead and test this. So I click on test workflow, and I'm going to type in my name, and then I'm just going to hit run test. And so I should see my status pop up, and it is showing that the execution log. So if I click on that, it shows me all of the steps that have been done. So it verified that that my contact information is valid. It set the event start date. It updated the promo name, and it added me to an opportunity. So what I'm actually wanting to check here is if it created a brand new opportunity for my contact card in the promo pipeline. And then I also want to see if and it did. Perfect. So for April promo, it created a new opportunity card in the promo campaign pipeline, and then it should have also updated promo tracking. Perfect. So this information will update as the contact goes through there. And so I can actually go into my steps. So it's waiting until April 1st at 10 a.m. But I can force my contact through that first step, and I can actually watch it go through the next portions of it. So that's how we test whether our workflows are actually functioning correctly, and then we go through each step. So I'll send myself through one time the whole way, pushing to the next step, and then I will go back to the beginning once I've made it all the way down. So right now it's waiting for a 9-day timeout. I'm going to go ahead and push my contact through, and as I do that, I can come in here and see those outbound messages going, just to verify that that's exactly what I want to be seeing. So a new email just came through, and instead of doing the 5-minute wait, I'm going to go ahead and force my contact to the next step. So once I've made it all the way to the bottom of the workflow, then I'm going to add my contact again to it, and then I want to reply to one of the steps to verify that this function is working correctly. So a little complex, but it shows you exactly how you can test it, just really to get on a basic level, make sure that your messaging is exactly how you want it, that your email looks exactly how you want it, and that there are no concerns with the custom values that you're seeing on the account. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions. We are here to help.